Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am Rishikant Kulpati, a wholesaler of cosmetics, and here series welcomes you on my YouTube channel. So friends, today what I will going to talk about is the CDSCO. I know many of you must be aware or must be not, but CDSCO is an organization that grants license to manufacture cosmetics or to import the cosmetics from outside world like China, Russia, or Korea, like this. So friends, the purpose of making today's video is that I have encountered one issue, which is that there are products which are very cheap, their prices are very less, and on the other hand there are products whose prices are very high. So as you all are aware that there are multiple manufacturers in India. There are some manufacturers who take proper licensing from the CDSCO, and they follow all the protocols or parameters which are laid by the CDSCO department, which is what ingredients they are mixing in a some product to manufacture, like lipstick, kajal, or anything, any product which is related to the cosmetics. And there are some hidden manufacturers who do not follow any protocol or parameters related to the manufacturing of cosmetics, and they keep themselves hidden. They do not even disclose their manufacturing license on their packaging or on a box price. They do not disclose anything. And in the long run, these products which are cheaper in rate, harmful for us or for the person who is applying on their body. Especially I'm talking to the ladies, because these ladies mostly buy the products and ignorant of the fact that who is manufacturing this product. So I request you, whenever you are buying any cosmetic item, just look over there, who is the manufacturer, what is the manufacturing license. All these things you have to keep in mind before buying a product. And if you do not keep all these things in your mind, then definitely it will be a harmful thing for you in the long run. Now take the example of a lipstick. There is a one lipstick in wholesale, the price of it is 6 rupees. Now on the other hand, there is one lipstick, the price of it in wholesale is 50 rupees. So why is there is a huge price difference? Both are lipstick, but yes, there is a difference is because of the quality. There is one manufacturer who is following all the protocols like proper infrastructure, appointing a chemist look after the products, how much ingredients are to be mixed in what ratio, so that it would not be harmful, and hiring of and getting a license. So all these expenses rise the price of our product. And after marketing, because CDSCO allows people only then to market or to sell once they have a license for manufacturing the product. Similarly, on the other hand, there are people who have no proper licensing, no infrastructure, no hiring of any chemist or anything like that. They don't follow any protocols or parameters, and that's why their products are like 50 a dozen, and some is selling for 50 for one piece in wholesale. So friends, these are the basic things which have to be kept in mind before buying a product. Look for the manufacturing date, look for the expiry, look for the company who is manufacturing, and how long will it it's the manufacturing expiry of that particular product. So friends, I am sitting in a Sadar Bazaar. You can think of that many manufacturers approach to me to sell their products to me, so that it can be get supplied through my supply chain in various states or cities. So I do not entertain. Why? Because I do not want to sell these products at all, because I know that this would be very harmful for them, for the ladies, to be used in a long run, which I myself don't want to give it to my mother or a sister. Why should I give it to someone else, mother or sister? That's the my ideology, or that's what my mindset says. So friends, that's why the price variation is there. There are products which are of 40 a dozen, and there are products which is the price of that is 40 in a wholesale per piece. So friends, that is all from my side for today. I hope the message is clear of price variation. Please subscribe my channel for all the latest updates in the upcoming times. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.